Over 10,000 dead in New York alone. Battle over how and when. Antibody testing. Coronavirus treatment.
Can't just sit here and wait. First things first, I need to get my family some food. Thank you. I miss this place. All right, that should last you a while.
Hey John, we need some help. I'm Gina.
I'm Oak.
I'm owner of the McIntyre restaurant in Middle Village and we want to donate food for the Amherst Hospital today. Can you help us, please?
Yeah, I got you. Let's do it. I got more for it here. Hope it helps.
Thank you, man. Thank you so much.
Stay safe, stay healthy.
Guys.
How's it going?
Hey, what's up?
Hey, I'm Ben Way. I'm founder of A Million Masks. I really need to get these 200 N95 masks. Doctors need them right now at the hospitals. Can you get it to them?
How can I help?
There you go.
We're almost there. Here you go. This is for you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you
Of
so
course.
much.
Stay healthy, guys.
Thank you, thank you, thank you.
All right. God, I've never seen Broadway this dead. This is crazy. There's no one here. I got some travel bags and a sleeping bag. I know someone who could use them more than I can. Hey Ted, I'm John. I'm from the soup kitchen that one time I helped you out. Probably like a month or two ago, me and my girlfriend were talking to you.
Oh, of course.
I have some like sleeping gear and some travel bags. I'll see you soon. I'll connect with you. I'll talk to you. Stay safe. I wonder what Central Park looks like. At least some people are out trying to stay positive. Try this again. Middle of Park Avenue, empty. Third Avenue, empty. Second Avenue, empty too.
You can't do tricks on this property.
Can I do one and then I'm out?
One more and then you're out.
What's up, dude?
What's good, boys?
You want to see his haircut I just gave him? It's not bad.
Dude, mint.